Hello viewers, do you know why majority of people score less on the CELPIP listening? It is because they do not take notes. Note taking is very important as of listening on the CELPIP. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the listening to problem solving. Let's get started.
Listening to problem solving. Do you know where I can find a Melvin's bookstore? Ike's? You are in the wrong block. I am a cab driver, so I know where is the bookstore. Cross the road. Go straight and take the first left. You will see an ice cream parlor. Behind the parlor, you will find a park. Cross the park and you will find Melvin's bookstore in a building. Ask anybody. They will guide you. Thank you. So nice of you. You are welcome. Question 1. What was the woman hoping to find? 1 bakery. 2 pizza joint. 3 Melvin's bookstore. 4 zoo. It is clear from the audio that the woman was looking for Melvin's bookstore. Question number 2. What was the occupation of the other woman? 1 bus driver. 2 truck driver. 3 taxi driver. 4 not working. Oh, it's you again. My directions didn't help ya. Yes, I am lost. Okay, let me help you again. You take the blue shuttle, which arrives every 5 minutes. It will directly take you to the bookstore. Where can I find the bus stop? It's behind you. Thanks once again. Question 3. How will the woman reach her destination? 1 red shuttle. 2 blue shuttle. 3 green shuttle. 4 yellow shuttle. Second audio. Excuse me. Are you from near here? I want to go to a bookstore. Well, yes. Walk 100 meters from here and you will find a big plaza. It's next to that. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Question 4. Where will the woman find the bookstore eventually? 1 next to cinema. 2 after crossing the park. 3 next to plaza. 4 she will not find it. Can I find the bookstore immediately after the plaza? Nope. It is on the 3rd floor of the Prisma building next to the plaza. Question 5. In which floor will the woman find the bookstore? 1 first floor. 2 second floor. 3 third floor. 4 ground floor. Can you tell me what time is it by your watch? It is 4:45. Oh no. I have to be there before 5 p.m. otherwise they will close the bookstore. Question 6. At what time the woman must reach the bookstore? 1 5:30. 2 4:45. 3 by 4 p.m. 4 before 5 p.m. Don't worry, ma'am. You will get what you wanted. You still have enough time. Thanks. Third audio. Hello, miss. Is this the 3rd floor? I am looking for a Melvin's bookstore as it closes by 5 p.m. and I have only 5 minutes. Oh yeah. I know where it is. It is the 5th shop towards the right on this floor. Question 7. Where can the woman find the bookstore on the 3rd floor? 1 5th shop. 2 second shop. 3 4th shop. 4 first shop. Hi, is this Melvin's bookstore? Yes. How may I help you? By the way, you will have to rush up, because we are about to close, you see. I am looking for the book CRACK CELPIP in 10 days. Oh. It's right there in the 2nd rack. Oh. Great. Thanks. Question 8. Did the woman find what she wanted? 1. The book Red Mafia. 2. CRACK CELPIP in 10 days. 3. The man who lost his cat. 4. The history behind evolution theory.
Okay, viewers, we have come to the end of the listening to problem solving, which is task 1 of the listening section. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Sridhar Santhanam and I am the founder of CELPIP Academy. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button, also comment below. I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.